Namaste my viewers. Today I'm at Lydiard Park in Swindon. So let's explore. My viewers, this is the parking area where you can park your car, and you have to also pay at the by downloading the app at the display machine. And over there, hopefully you guys can see that there is a fun fair. And I will show you from a closer look after a while. Over there you guys can see that there's a little children's play area, so it's for little ones. And over there is a bigger one for bigger children, but it's out of order because of maintenance. And over there is a Lydiard Park map for new visitors so that they can know where they have to go. And this is a mini food cafe, so when you're like hungry or thirsty, you can have food or drink here. Viewers, this is the whole fun fair. As you can see, it's really it's deep down over there. It's really huge. My viewers, this is the Lydiard Park Outdoor Cinema. As you can see over here, the starting date and the ending date is 29 to 31 May 2026. But let's just go inside if there is something in there. My viewers, have a look at this. This is the ice house. My viewers, can you guess what this is? See how huge and enormous this tree is? My viewers, over there is Lydiard House, and right over there is the cinema. My viewers, this is the goose foot. And if we go over there, we can find the historic house and lake, the 18th century walled garden, the coach house tea rooms, St. Mary's Church, and coach house activity centre. So let's go there. My viewers, this is the Lydiard House, so we're gonna go over there. Have a look at this gate. It's so tiny, but it's also really beautiful. As you can see on this tree, there are some light bulbs, and so they're gonna probably light it up when it's nighttime. Have a look. This is the big board of the cinema, and these are all these chairs, and these are all the food and drink stations over here. And to enter the cinema, you need to pay a ticket. And also, this is not a free entry cinema. You have to pay to get into the cinema and watch the movie or the show. The show will be starting in 5 minutes, so as you can see, there are many people waiting for the movie to start. This is such a nice gate. It's really nicely designed. I'm really surprised how tall this tree is. What a beautiful and lovely tree this is. And this is called the walnut tree. And there are many birds that live in here. It says the coal-tit, nuthatch, blackcap, and many more. And also, I would like to show you the beautiful scenery of the lake and the nature. And I don't know if you guys can see, but there are some swans and some ducks over there, but it's really lovely. Have a look at the St. Mary's Church. Do you want to know how old this church is? This church is 1,000 years old in history. These are all the spring and summer opening times information, and this is how it looks like from inside. It looks so massive from the outside. I wonder how massive it will be from the inside. Can you see how huge this greenery is? And there are so many all the way over there. It looks like there's ending. And my viewers, there is another parking space over here. But again, you have to pay. And also, last time for Holika Dahan, our Hindu community came here to do the event. And this space is also really beautiful. This Lydiard Park Heritage Garden Centre. Now we're going to enter the Jungle Park High Wire Forest Adventure. So here is the whole adventure park. If we go over here, we can explore the course, and if we go over here, we can adventure on the course. This is the green course. Hope you guys enjoyed the Lydiard Park with me. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.